Hi guys, I can't post the snow video, but I'm gonna let y'all know about this. So right now I'm door dashing as of right now. Sky's getting clear up right now.
Turn right onto West Fayette Street.
Now turn right.
So I'm letting y'all know right about now that I won't be posting any videos. But this storm that's about to occur,
Turn left onto Morgantown Street.
it's going to be very historic, and it could be Snowzilla 2020,
On the Morgantown
Blizzard
Street.
2020. Winter Storm Gal is supposed to produce tons of snow this upcoming Wednesday and Thursday. And people need to watch out for it and get ready for the storm, because it's going to be incredibly large and massive. It's going to be dangerous.
After 900 feet onto South Gallatin Avenue.
Turn left onto South Gallatin Avenue.
It's going to be extremely dangerous, and it's going to be bad. And so, stay tuned for that, because I am going to talk to you guys more about this tomorrow.
Continue on South
I'm gonna do
Gallatin
talks
Avenue for
all day.
3/4 of a mile.
It's going to be talk videos. It's not going to be weather videos. But when I get this camera fixed, I am going to do this even more. If we get into a big snow event like this next year, you know I'll be. Hope you understand why I can't do that. All I'm saying is, the only way I can do this if it's talk. What's that? Yes, we're on a DoorDash order. Well, it'd be nice if I could show you guys. Let's see the phone real quick. So, yes, indeed. Definitely large snowstorm.